Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the continuation of our previous video inside which we have learnt about the length to uppercase, to lowercase and includes. Today we are going to continue with the starts with. For this, instead of this includes, we have to write starts with. Let me check this. Here we got false because this starts with method returns true if a string starts with a specified string. Otherwise, it will return as a false. Instead of this yes, if I remove this and if I write JavaScript, we got this as true because this method returns true if the string starts with the specified string. Here in this sentence, JavaScript is a great language. This JavaScript is the first sentence or the first word inside this sentence. When we write the first word of the sentence, this always returns the us as true. Then the next one we have is ends with. Instead of this starts with, I'll remove this and I'll write ends with. Here you can see we got this as false because this ends with method is used to return true if the string ends with a specified string. This is just opposite of that first one which we have seen starts with. Instead of this JavaScript, if I write this as language, you can see here again we got this as true because we have to write the last word inside this particular sentence. Even if I change this capital L into small l, we'll get the result as false only because it's a case sensitive. Then the next we have is search. Let's understand this search method. This search method returns the position of the first match. Let me show you with an example. I'll remove this. Even this, instead of this we have to write here search. If I write is, you can see here we got is at the 11th index. Instead of this if I write great, okay, I got -1 here because if it fails to find the word which we have written, it will always returns a negative value. You may ask me, here we have great and also we have written great. You can see here instead of capital G I have written small g. As I said before, it's a case sensitive. When I wrote the same thing with the capital G, we got the result as 16 because this great is at 16th index. Like this same we have one more method. You can see here, that is match. This method returns an array of the matches, whereas the search method returns only the position of the first match, whereas this will return the array of the matches. It means I'll write here one more is, okay, no need of this. I'll simply, instead of this search, I'll write match. After this match, and remember there is a command to write this. We can't write it directly. We have to write G. One more. Okay. We have to write it like this. I'll just remove this is. We'll add this. Here you can see we have to write this G because it is a global variable and are these global variables are those variables which are declared outside of the block. Means it shows that we have two is, and you can see it returns the array. If you want to understand about this array, you can go and watch our old videos inside which we have explained about the arrays also. You can see here, instead of this, if I write one more is, we got one more, because here we have three is. It will search it globally and it will return us an array that we have three is. This is how this match method works. We'll just summarize this. The first one we have learnt is starts with, means it returns the string. It returns true if the string starts with a specified string, and this ends with is the totally opposite of this starts with. Then we have seen about this search. This search method returns the position of the first match. And next we have seen is the match method. It returns us an array. Simple. In our next video, we'll learn about this index of, last index of, replace and trim. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.